Hey guys, it's Farrah. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do a messy curly bun with a bit of edges maybe. So the reason for this video actually, it wasn't planned at all. I bought these hair extensions like this. They're really cute and they're not even in my hair texture. I've got such looser curls than this. It's such a cute curl pattern, but this is not my actual curl texture. I haven't even got a mirror. So I'm going to start off with untangling my hair and taking it down. This is what it's like. I did a conditioning treatment yesterday, so it's really I don't know. I don't think I like it when I've just done a conditioning treatment and the next day it's just too soft. I love my hair soft, but it's just proper dropped all the curls out of my hair because it's so soft. So I'm going to take my first styling gel, which is the Ultra Strong gel. So I've got loads there, and I'm basically just going to do my top bit. And then I'm going to flick over and do the back. So taking this big round brush, comb it upwards. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try out something new. I never really do this, but I'm going to pull out my baby hairs now. I've been seeing quite a lot of YouTubers do this, and I thought it was a good idea. The fact that they're doing the baby hairs now, kind of, rather than when it's all up in a tight ponytail, then trying to get them out. I'm going to tie it up with a bobble, tighten it. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and I'm just going to basically go over it, and then taking my comb, I'm going to still avoid the baby hairs, but just make it a little bit neater.
And then I start to do that.
That's one side. The concentration's so real. It's got to be so accurate. I never do top bit baby hairs, you get what I mean? Oh, this is actually so nice. I never do the top bit of the baby hairs, I've always kind of stuck to, I like this. I never do the top bit of this section of the baby hairs because I've just never known how to do it. I've only just kind of recently started to do baby hairs and learn how to actually do it properly. But I used to just kind of do the sides. I never knew how to position it at the front because I think I have such a small head, and I feel like if I was to do baby hairs at the front, it would just look like a lot. But these are kind of cute. I can do a little no, I don't think that's gonna work for me.
Bitch.
I'm still learning, so my baby hairs aren't amazing. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna split my hair into two sections like this, and I'm basically just going to clip it onto my actual hair because my hair's not long enough to braid. If your hair was long enough to braid, then braid the ponytail and then maybe clip it onto the braid or wrap it around the weft. But my hair's not really long enough to, and then yeah, I'm just going to do the same to this side too.
I can see that I'm clipping or something. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know.
I'm going to kind of create a bun, so maybe I should leave some little bits down. Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to kind of wrap it around and make it look like that. And then I'm going to secure it with a little hair tie thing. I'm just going to pull bits out. So like the little curly pieces that look really cute. So I'm going to go to the toilet and just add a bit of water because at the moment my extensions are drying up. So that's why they're looking a bit frizzy, and I kind of want the curls a bit more defined. So I'm going to come back when the curls are a bit more defined and you'll see the end result. So this is what my hair looks like now. It's like I've wet it and put water in it and made the curls look more defined. I'm just going to go in with the Blasting Freeze Spray by got2b to keep the oil in, especially because I do put a lot, especially because I'm going to work and I know I want the hairstyle to stay. Personally think I look kind of cute. That's the end of this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below what you think and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon.